What's up, fellas? Another morning. I'm tired. Just stopped by to give me a C4, the Jolly Rancher flavor. It is officially Tuesday, 9:10 in the morning, and the sun is good. The weather's already getting hot. It's too damn hot. I barely go outside, and I'm already like starting to feel the heat. You know, my dad always told me, "Hey, drink a whole bottle or two of water before anything in the morning and you will feel hydrated." So that's what I told myself. I'm like, I'm gonna drink some water, and I did, and I feel a little better. But I be hydrating myself with pickles, and a lot of sodium, salt, crackers. Well, not crackers, but you know, like I put a shit ton of sodium in my meat because sodium is important for the body. I think I'm gonna do some cooking today. Maybe the gym. I think it's a rest day today, but I'm gonna be going to Puerto Rico soon, so I will be making a video about me in Puerto Rico. I am gonna hit the gyms out there. I'm gonna try out the food. You guys stay tuned. I'm gonna be doing all of that good fun things. All right, guys, so we are on lunch, day 4, and same meal as yesterday. Krabby Patty, or a patty, and some rice. I'm gonna add some of this sauce to my food. Yes, sir. I like this, 0 calories, salsa picante. Just got done for the day. It's actually raining right now. I am about to go hit the gym right now. Oh. Hey, boy. All right, guys, so we just got back from the gym, and officially it is my dinner time. So I had to run to Walmart to go buy me something. Some eggs real quick. So here are some eggs, and I got some cottage cheese, and we're about to spark up this bad boy and start making bacon and eggs, and then oh yeah, I'll also be drinking like some ginger stuff. So I put like ginger in water and let it boil up, and I drink that like once a day. Helps with your blood. Really helps me out too, in every way. Here's the bacon I'm about to add. Maple Black Label bacon. Now that's good stuff. I believe it's nutrition facts right there. You guys make up all the calculation. All right, so there it is. Hey Rocky, we got Rocky Pint in the house. Bacon is popping and locking it. Just look at that, nice and crispy. Very good. All that grease is just popping in my Thanos hands, my powerful hand. It's just burning. Well, I'm Thanos, so it can't burn me, you know? So what I do with all that grease, I usually put the eggs with all the grease that's left behind from the bacon, and that's what I cook my eggs with. It's pretty healthy for your skin too as well, so. Ooh, it's just popping it. We got Pint Rocky in the house. Add a little bit of salt. Even though the bacon already has salt, but just a little bit. Normally when it's like still kind of wet, I just turn off the heat like that. I turn it off and just kind of whatever's heat is left over is gonna cook the rest, and it's still juicy, even though it still needs more cooking, but the rest of it is gonna just kind of cook with the remaining heat. All right, so now that we're done, add some cottage cheese. Add around 2. Since kind of haven't ate all day since I had lunch at work. So eggs, bacon, and cottage cheese. I'll catch you guys next time.